Hello, good evening. I'm K. Sri Lakshmi, Assistant Professor in St. Anne's College for Women. I want to tell about the Google Forms, how to create the forms. Okay, in Google, go to the Google Forms and log in with your accounts. Then go to the Google Forms, select any blank one. This is useful for the feedbacks, registration for any conferences, and also to make a quiz. For all those things it will be used. How to manage this? First, in this we have two tabs, questions and responses. Here this is the title. Whatever the title you want, you have to change here. For example, if I'm changing this some quiz, FDP quiz, I'll change as FDP quiz. For that, whatever the name you want to give, that will be updated here. Okay, then after that, if you want to give any description about your quiz or whatever the thing you are doing, you can give here. Okay, then after that we have a tab here. Okay, here we have a plus. Okay, this is for adding questions. Okay, if you add, click on this, the questions will be added like this. Like that, how many questions if you want, you can add that. Okay, this is one section. First, this will be divided into sections. In the each section, how many questions if you want, you can include in this. Okay, this is first section. If you want one more section, here it is there, you can add one more section. This is section 2. Means, for example, I am conducting a quiz. In the first section, I want to tell about the quiz. In second section, I want to give about registration, like that. If you want how many sections, that many sections you can create. In each section, these are the tabs you have. You can add the questions or import the questions. Okay, or add title, any title if you want, you can add. Or to the question, if you want to add any image, you can click on this and you can add the image. And if you want to add a video also, you can add to that. Okay, if you go to this first, then after that we have these keys. Okay, add-ons and theme and preview and settings. Okay, first if you go to the theme, okay, you can change the theme of the whatever the sheet. Okay, color, here blue color is there, color. Okay, first header. Above this, if you want to insert any image, okay, if you already some images will be there. Okay, if you want to choose that, then you can select anything from this, or else you can upload whatever the picture you want to upload from the system. For example, your college name, everything, if you want to include that also, you can upload here. Presently I'm selecting this one. Okay, then you can insert. Okay, that will be coming as a header. Okay, then after header, theme color means whatever the color, these lines or for all the sections. Okay, that color will be the theme color. Okay, then theme and the background, if you want any color background also, you can select the colors. Okay, according to the theme, some colors it will give. Other than that, if you want any colors, you can select. Font style, basic, playful. Here, font style, if you want to change this, you can do in the theme options. You can do header, you can change the font, you can change the background color, and this theme color you can change. Okay, this is you can do in the theme. Then after that, preview. After completing whatever you want, you added, you can do the preview. Okay, then settings. Okay, before going to the settings, first here in the here section 1 is there. I want this for the quiz description, whatever in the description I am giving. I don't want any questions in this, then I can delete here. Okay, here delete, or if you want duplicate of that. And required means, if you in the Google form, if you are want the details compulsorily. For example, in the registration, name and all the things you added. Okay, if you required name compulsory, then you have to change this as a required. Then they have to fill compulsorily that one. If you don't feed, if you are keeping optional, for example, mobile number. Okay, if you want again a choice, Okay, then you have to off this. Okay, that based on that, if you want to delete this question, you can delete. Section 1, section 2. Here about section 2 also you can give title, for example registration. Then I want to add some question. For example, in registration form, first we are asking for the name. Okay, then short answer. Which type of a question means, registration means mostly short answer we'll select. Okay, like that. For quiz means we will select that. These are the different types of questions we are available in this. Short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboard, drop down, file upload. Any file if you want to upload also, you can upload there in the question place. Linear scale, multiple choice, grid, check pro, date. For example, for any questions, if you have a date, time and or the answer for that, then you can select the format. Okay, they will be month, day, year, like that they can give. Okay, here short answer I'm selecting, name required I'm keeping as a required. Okay, then they have to compulsorily fill that question in the Google form. Okay, then section 3, I want to give for the quiz. Okay, means questions, whatever the, if you want to ask the questions like that. Here one question is there. Okay, like that you can add how many questions you want, that many you can add the questions. Then if you go for each question, if you click on the question here, for example any question is there, COVID-19 full form is the question. If you want to make it a multiple choice or whatever, if you want to choose, you can choose from this list by clicking on here on this option. And if you want to keep any image also, you can insert there. Okay, same, you can upload or you can do from camera or from the Google Drive, or by doing directly searching also you can insert a picture. Okay, then after picture, if you insert options, whatever the options you want to give, how many options, that many. For example, here first option is there. If you want to add, two are there already. If you want to add some more, add other option, like that. How many options you want, you can add. For one question, if you want to keep only two options, two also you can keep. Okay, then after that, if you want to make the duplicate of this question, same duplicate, same you will get the one more duplicate copy of that. Okay, then this is delete, and this is in the quiz you want them to attempt all the questions, then you have to make it as a required. Okay, then it will be countable. Okay, then after that, here you want to make this Google form as a quiz. Then first go to the settings. In the settings we have three things. There's general, presentation, and quizzes. Okay, go to the quizzes, make this as a quiz, make this Google form as a quiz. Okay, then in the quiz we have immediately after submission, later after submission we have make the quiz. Okay, release the grade. If you want to choose whatever the option you want, you can choose immediately after each submission, you can they will get the grade. Okay, or later after manual review. Okay, these are the two options you have to select. Then presentation, show progress bar, shuffle the question order. If you want to shuffle the questions, you can choose this option. Or if you show the link to submit another response. Okay, means if you want, if you limit this to only one response, then no need this. Okay, show the progress bar, what is the progress for that also you can see in this. Then general. Okay, collect email IDs. Okay, if you click on that, starting first whatever the section, it is automatically collect the email IDs. Then require sign in, limit to one response, means only with one email ID one can, with one email ID they can log in only once. If you on this, correspondent can edit after submit, see the summary charts. If you want, you can enable this. These are there in the settings, general, presentation, and the quizzes. Okay, if you want to make that as a quiz, you have to select the quiz. Okay, then respondent can see missed questions, correct answers, point values, all that. Okay, you can whatever, first if you make them as a quiz and save it. Okay, then if you go for whatever the question I typed first, here answer key is coming. Okay, before that, if you didn't make into quiz, answer key is not there. If now answer key is there, okay, go to answer key. Okay, this is the answer key. Okay, then option 1, if you are keeping a, if you were for your question, option 1 is the answer. How to select this and how many points you want to give for that. For example, 5 points of I want to give, 5 points I can give. Then if you want to give any feedback also, you can add to the answer, then done. Okay, automatically you are saving the answer. Like that you have to add the questions in the Google Forms. Okay, this is how to make a Google sheet. Okay, forms. Okay, you can do for feedbacks, registration, quiz, for anything you can do simple things. You can add the sections, you can add the questions, and by using settings, and later preview how it will be look like. Okay, if you want to see the preview also, you can see the preview. Okay, this is about the Google Forms. If you want to learn more about this Google Form, okay, then one more is the responses. Here you are preparing the quiz today, you don't want responses. Okay, means you want a limit, time limit, like that 1 hour only today from 11. At that 11 time you can uh, off this. Okay, at the exactly whatever time you want to accept the answers, you just click this. Okay, then accepting, at that time it will accept. Whenever you don't want the quiz any responses, you just to switch off this is there in the responses. And here we'll have a directly one sheet spreadsheet. Okay, this spreadsheet, if you create it automatically, whoever responding in your Google Form, okay, it will make a spreadsheet. Presently it is not having any data. Okay, because we didn't activate. Okay, in the Google sheet, email address, score, name, whatever the question I typed, all those will, the data will be automatically updated in this. Okay, this is about Google Forms. More things are there, add-ons also you can add. Thank you.